Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can tell by the title, today we're going to be trying out something very cool and different. We're going to be trying out this whole new trend of magnetic liners along with magnetic lashes. So I got this whole kit sent to me pretty recently and I thought I would try it out on camera, test it out with you guys and see if this whole magnetic system thing is actually good, and see how I like it and everything. So I got a couple of lashes from Fleurish Cosmetics in different styles. I also got their eyeliner. And if you haven't heard about this, personally I've seen like this whole trend all over like Instagram and TikTok and other social media platforms, but it's basically a liquid liner that you apply like your regular liner, either in a wing or just a regular line, however you like to apply your liquid liner. And then you take the lash, which has little magnetic segments on it, and you just pop it right onto the liner, and it's supposed to stick like a magnet and be super easy, mess free, a lot less time consuming than like a regular strip lash. Just overall a new way that people have been applying their lashes. I'm going to be trying these out in this video today. I'm wearing one of them right now, but I basically tried them all out, tried out the different styles, tried out the eyeliner, and put this all to the test. So if you want to see my thoughts on this whole magnetic system for applying your lashes, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're nice and zoomed in right now so we can get started on this whole application. We have the Fleurish eyeliner right here. So this is the Fleurish Cosmetics liquid magnetic liner. And it says, shake well before use, apply liquid magnetic liner upon upper lash line only. Do not use on your waterline or your lower lash line. And then you remove it with an oil-based makeup remover. I really like the packaging with the neon. It's simple but still really cute. This is what it looks like. It's just like in a pink tube. Super cute packaging. And it is like a brush applicator, which I do prefer a brush over like a pen. I also find that they last longer just because I feel like you get more product and stuff, and in my opinion they're easier to control. Just go ahead and apply this. So I'm going to start at the outer corner like so, and just create a wing. How I would usually do it. I usually keep it pretty thin on the inner part. I'm gonna make it a little thicker today so that the lashes actually have something to stick to. Of course, you don't have to do like a wing. You could just do liner. You don't have to wing it out if you don't want to. Now, I will say you do want to work pretty fast because once it dries up, I am finding it's a little harder to apply. It's just getting a bit more, almost like tacky. So there's one eye all done. Alright, so the eyeliner is now on, and coming back to the first one here, it didn't dry completely matte. It kind of has a sheen to it, which I don't mind. At least it's not like super glossy or anything. But I'm going to apply some mascara real quick. This is just my X Fiber. I'm gonna do my lower lashes. I also got their little lash applicator right here. I usually use tweezers, but for something like this where you're kind of applying the whole lash at once, it might be nice to have a tool like this. So this is what this looks like. It's just a gold tool. And then I have 3 styles of lashes, so let me go through these and show you them. I'm gonna try all 3 on, but this is the first one in the style Flutter. Really cute. I like that this one is a bit more on the natural side, a bit wispy. Definitely a lighter lash, and I'll kind of show you what you can kind of see the magnet on there, and then just kind of sticks to itself in the box. Then we have the Style Accent, and I would say this one's a little bit longer, but still really nice. So very, very long. And they all look really nice quality too, I'll have to say that. I'm excited to try them on though. Then the last style is Upgrade, which is super big and fluffy and voluminous and really, really long. So these are definitely a lot more dramatic. I'm excited to try these out as well. So on the back of each box, it has a little bit of a guide. So it says apply the eyeliner and allow at least 60 seconds to dry. So you do want this to be completely dry, which is kind of nice that it's not the other way around where you're supposed to apply the lash within a certain amount of time. Because sometimes with glue, I find like I'll wait for it to dry because you want it to be tacky, but then I wait a little too long and then it's not tacky enough. So with this, at least you can apply it, do whatever while you're letting it dry, and then you don't have to worry about when you're applying the lash as much. And then if necessary, trim the lash. Of course, you want it to fit your eye. Adhere the magnetic lashes with the eyeliner. And then for removal, clean your lashes with a cotton swab and an oil-based remover. I think I want to go from like least to most dramatic, so I'm going to start off with Flutter. And I'm just going to pick up the lash. So I do want to show you guys. I don't know if you can see, but the magnets are right there on it. On the lash, and this is a strip lash, so it's not segments or anything. And we're gonna go ahead and apply it. Oh my gosh, it's on there. I can definitely feel it on the inner corner where it like stuck on, but that was really easy to apply for sure. I had no issue with that. They don't really feel that much heavier than my regular lashes, I would say. Maybe just a little bit on that inner corner, but I feel like I definitely like get used to it while I'm wearing them. Let's apply the other one. I do really like the look of them. I think the quality is really nice. Like they look really, really fluffy and nice on the eyes. So I kind of applied it with the tweezers. And now I'm just gonna make sure it's in place where I want it to be. Okay, so here is the first style, Flutter. I definitely can tell that they feel a little bit heavier than regular strip lashes, and I think that's just because, I mean, they have magnets on them, but the application was probably the easiest thing ever. No mess, no glue. I like how they look more than regular strip lashes because you don't have all that glue in there too. So I do like that, but I think this style is super pretty. This is definitely perfect if you want to wear lashes, but you don't want anything too extreme. This will be nice. I want to do a quick tug test. Oh yeah, it's pretty on there secure. We'll say that. I'm gonna grab onto it a bit better. Yeah, like, look, I'm pulling quite a bit and it's definitely staying on, which is a good sign because then you don't have to worry about them like flying away or anything. As long as no one's bringing a stronger magnet next to your face, I think you're going to be fine with these staying on. So let's take these off now, and I'm going to try the next style. Ooh. Okay. And some of the eyeliner did kind of transfer onto here, I will say that. Alright, so I'm just gonna take a bit of the eyeliner and kind of touch it up, especially like at that inner corner, just because some of it did come off. And obviously, like, this won't be an issue unless you're kind of switching them out. Because I just want to try all the styles today too. And because this is supposed to be dry when you apply the lashes, it's perfect for like touching up. Because I know when I wear strip lashes and I go out, I always have to bring lash glue with me. But this way, if your lash is kind of coming off, you just like magnet it back into place. You don't have to worry about reapplying the eyeliner or anything. So I'm gonna grab accent now, and I don't have to, like, I do have pretty big eyes, so I haven't had to cut any of these yet. Okay, so we're gonna just apply accent. And I did apply it a little high, so I'm just gonna kind of peel it off. Stick it right back to where I want it. I will say the styles of these lashes I'm obsessed with. They look so pretty. Wow, you literally just place it and then I just give it a little more of a tap with my finger to make sure it's really in place. So this is the style accent. I'm obsessed with the style. Like, even if these were just regular strip lashes, I definitely wear them because I think they're a really pretty style, but the fact that they're so easy to apply is awesome. And I can still feel it like a little weighed down, but I think I'm getting more used to it, so it doesn't really feel weird or anything. It feels pretty normal. So this is accent. Let's take these off now and apply the last style. Ooh. Again, removal is pretty easy. Gonna give it another shake. Touch it up one more time for the last pair. And now for the last style, we have Upgrade, which is the most extreme, most glam style. So I'm definitely excited to try this out. Sometimes I like my more natural lashes, like Flutter and Accent, but sometimes, you know, you just want to be all glam and just put on a super dramatic lash. So let's see. And this one is definitely more wispy. It definitely has like the shorter and longer pieces in there, which I like instead of just like a blunt lash. This one is really big. I might need to cut this one down. Let's see. Ooh. Did someone say dramatic lash or what? Because this is just boom. I will say they're also very easy to grab out of the box. With strip lashes, sometimes you have them like kind of messing up their shape, whereas these ones just kind of pop out. And I like that you can apply it just to get it there and then move it around as you wish, whereas with glue you kind of screwed once you place it, you know? So here is the style Upgrade. They're definitely really, really big. I probably would need to cut these down a little bit to fit my eye just a bit better, especially on that inner corner, but the lashes are very nice, really good quality. Look really pretty. Definitely very, very glam with this style. I do really like them though. And usually with a lash this big, that corner would just be going straight up, but it's staying down nicely, and even when I'm blinking, so that's a good sign for sure. All right guys, so I just put back the style Accent just because I think it's my favorite, at least for this look I have going on. And one thing I do want to say is I find because the box has the magnets inside too, it will kind of keep your lashes in that curved form that you want them to be when you're putting them back in the box. And usually with strip lashes, they kind of fall out of the box and kind of go everywhere. Sometimes the shapes get ruined, whatever. So I do feel like this type of lash will last longer just because it's better for storing it, because it will always stay in this curved shape and it will stay right in the spot you put it. Also, it's not going to be collecting as much product buildup on it. You're not going to have to clean them as often to get that lash glue off or anything, since it's just the liner. And as I said, only a little bit of the liner adhesive got onto the lash, and now you would just need a little cotton swab to clean that off every so often. Kind of to finalize my thoughts on this product, I really enjoyed it. I thought the eyeliner was great, super easy to use. The only thing I would say is you do kind of have to work a little fast with it, or it does kind of drag. It's a little bit harder to layer, so kind of get it on there, get the shape you want. If you're not the best with liquid liner, maybe practice with just a regular one so that you can get the hang of this one. You could obviously do a wing with this, or just a regular, you know, line across the top of your lashes. And then I loved all the lash styles. I thought they were all amazing. I love the quality of the lashes. I thought they were super easy to apply, and I definitely like the idea of this whole magnet system. I think it, you know, makes the whole idea of applying lashes so easy, and especially if you're more of a beginner or you just don't like applying lashes in general, this might be something you might be interested in, just because it's super easy to use. Just takes a few seconds to apply, and from what I can tell so far, they're staying on really, really well. So I did like all the products I tried today. I'm definitely on board with the whole magnetic lash trend. I really did enjoy these ones from Fleurish though, but I know there's like a bunch of brands out there that do the magnetic lashes now. But if you guys want to get these lashes or any of the products I showed you from Fleurish, they did offer me a discount code to give to you guys. It's just Lavinia in all caps, and you can use that for 15% off your purchase. So it's perfect if you were interested in purchasing from them. You can save some money off that. I had so much fun filming this video and trying out some new products, trying out some new makeup technology. That's always super fun to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. Let me know if you've tried magnetic lashes, what you think about them, everything like that. And I will say I definitely prefer this magnetic method over when having two lashes and having both of them have magnets on. I tried that. That was way too hard to do. It took me like an hour just to get them on properly. This was definitely a lot easier. I for sure will be using these lashes and this eyeliner a lot in the future because I did really enjoy them. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and also make sure to turn on my post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And yeah guys, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!